Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve complicated problems based on time and work. So as you all know, time and work are proportional to each other. That is, if one person efficiency is 9 days, that is he can complete work in 9 days. He can complete one work or one unit of work in 9 days. On the second person efficiency is 10 days. That means he can complete the work in 10 days. So as the days are taken longer, the work is going to be done for long time. If the days are taken less, then the work is going to be done in the very small period. In the same way, as hours and days are taken together, for example, if only 9 hours a person is going to work, then in how many days he can complete the work? Okay, so here is an example of that. A can do piece of work in 7 days of 9 hours each, and B can do it in 6 days of 7 hours each. How long will they take to do it working together 8 2/5 hours a day? Okay, so let us take what the question has been given. A can complete a piece of work 7 days of 9 hours each, which means that to complete one piece of work he takes 9 days into 7 hours. Totally how many hours he requires? 63 hours he requires to complete one work. In the same way, B, he can do it in 6 days and 7 hours. So 6 days of 7 hours each. So 6 into 7 hours, that means 42 hours. Now we are going to first calculate how much time is required if they both are going to work together. Okay, now to complete one work, how much A requires time, and to complete one work, how much B requires the time. We are going to substitute it. One work to be completed by A is 63 hours to complete one work. In the same way, to complete one work, B requires 42 hours. Now as we want to add these both, we have to take the LCM of 63 and 42. Both are going to be calculated and it is divided by 21. So 21 3s are 21 2s are. Now we cannot divide it again. So 21 3s are 63 into 2 126. So 126 is LCM. Now 63 and 126 we are going to divide, because 126 is the LCM, that is total hours, and in this 126 total hours, if 63 hours A is going to work, then how many unit of work he is going to do? That is 2 unit of work. Means in 63 hours if he is going to do one chair, then in 126 he can do 2 chairs. Okay, so we are going to write 126 into 63 into 2, that is 126. Next 42 into 3, that is 126. So 2 plus 3 we are going to take it here. Now it is 5 by 126. This means 5 unit of work can be done by in 126 hours. But we require only how much? 1 unit of work is done in how many hours. So that does not simplify this one. We'll keep it like this only, because the next what we are going to do here is how long will they take together, okay, to do it working together for 8 2/5 hours a day. That means in one day, if they are working 8 2/5 hours, then how many days they are going to be required to complete only 1 unit of work? Okay, so this is the total unit of hours, how much they are required together. Now if they are working both 8 and 2.5 hours, then how many days they are going to get? We are going to calculate here. Let us take 126/5 and the 8 2/5. If we are going to simplify, then we are getting 42/5. Okay, now for 126 days, hours divided by 42 hours, 5 going to be cancelled. 42 ones are 42 threes are. Okay, that means 3 days they are going to be requiring 3 days to complete one single unit of work in 8 2/5 hours per day. Okay, if you are understood this, so like and subscribe the video please. Thank you.